So this is how you can remove a green screen in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to use green screens and remove the green part. So let's get started by dragging our green screen down to our clips. Now, this is my green screen clip. As you can see, it's a bunch of question marks and how exactly do I get rid of the green? Well, that is an easy answer. All you have to do is tap on the video and then tap on remove. As you can see, it has auto removal, custom removal, chroma key, and that's it. There's three of them. You can tap on auto removal, and only human figures can be cut out, but we're looking for chroma key because this is for like backgrounds when someone or a person is on screen. But if you want to remove just the green screen, you're gonna want to tap on chroma key. So click on the box to check it, and then tap on color picker. Now you're gonna want to tap on the green part. It could be anywhere, just make sure that it's green, and then just pick the color, and there you go. As you can see, once I put it next to the green, it removes the green, but there are still a bit of green here. So you're gonna want to go to intensity. Just drag it along. Make sure that you don't do it too much because if you do, then the white will disappear, as you can see there. So just do it at the perfect amount, and here you go. As you can see, it's just a black screen, and if we put it over something, the black screen will disappear because it's just a PNG. Here you go. And that's pretty much it. So that is how you can remove green screens in CapCut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.